Okay. Welcome to MKABM and Slap Soil bike check. Okay, this is my 2020 Specialized Enduro 29er full carbon, size S3 medium. Then it has a fork 170mm travel, RockShox Lyric. Then for the rear shock is a DPX2 170mm also. Then for the cockpit, I have this 800mm long 35 diameter handlebar race face turbine, including a race face 30mm stem with code R quad piston. And for my group set, it's a SRAM 12 speed with 50T. And for my crank, it has a 32T with SX 661 aluminum pedal. And for my tire, it's a Vittoria Massa 29 by 2.4 rear and Vittoria Massa for front 29 by 2.6 size. So it's a tubeless ready, and it also has a 203 diameter rotor. And for my seat post, it's a X-Fusion Manic 150mm with NTT saddle. So that's it. Please like and subscribe. MKABM and Slap Soil. Adios. Alright.
Walang bloopers ah.
Meron kayong bloopers eh.
Ayos mo pa na mo.
Huh?
For the brakes, we have this SRAM Guide T with 200mm of